Hi, my name's Rhys, and my cool trick is pretending to be a robot. So all you have to do is move stiff like a futuristic robot. Stiff arms, stiff neck. The hard part is the sounds. Hello? Yeah, I'm just pretending to be a robot. Okay. My name's Rhys, and my cool trick is pretending to be a robot.
To start your charcoal grill, remove the lid and open all air vents before building the fire. Mound the briquettes into a pyramid-shaped pile or pile the charcoal into a chimney starter. Place either lighter cubes or crumpled newspaper under the pile of briquettes and light. When the coals are covered with a light grey ash, arrange the coals with long-handled tongs according to the cooking method you're going to use. For additional smoke flavour, consider adding hardwood chips or chunks soaked in water for at least 30 minutes and drained, or moistened fresh herbs such as rosemary, thyme or bay leaves. Place the wet wood or herbs directly on the coals just before you begin cooking.